Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video I'll be showing you how to wash your beans for your moi moi and akara in 5 minutes. Yes, I'll be showing you how to wash it in 5 minutes. So if you've not subscribed yet, please hit that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe for more amazing videos. This is the beans we'll be using. I've already pick the stones and unwanted particles. Right, so we'll be using this beans for this. So the first thing you do is to you'll be adding water. All right, you add little water. Then the secret here is you wash immediately. You don't have to soak the beans too. You don't have to soak the beans at all. Once you add the water, start washing it fast, and by so doing, the pills will easily, remove on its own. It will just be easy to wash. All right, so that's the secret of washing beans so fast. As soon as you add water, start washing immediately. All right, so that's the secret. So you can use it for your moi moi and for your akara. So people prefer um fresh washed beans than beans flour, right? They normally mention that it's more preferable to some persons, which are have come across. So everything depends on choice. Some, for convenience sake, some also go for beans flour. And I'll be dropping the link to my homemade beans flour in the description box, so you can also check out how to um make your homemade beans flour, how to make your own beans flour from from home. Just a simple process. All right, so you can choose to do this in 5 minutes, and you can choose to um go for the homemade bean flour and store. All right, so it's not a long process at all, at all. In 5 minutes you're done. I'm adding water. So if you guys can see, the peels are almost off. So this water will help us separate the peels from the beans itself. So as I'm pouring this out, the peels are, you know, going into the water. So you do this, until you get, the beans proper. So there is no big deal in washing beans. Some, soak the beans, and when you soak the beans, it's so difficult to peel. That is just the truth. So the secret, like I rightly said, is just once you add your water, start washing immediately. So it's almost okay. So I've transferred it into a tray. What I'll be doing is I'll be picking out the black stuff on the beans, the unwanted particles, and and they're not much, as you guys can see. Just pick them out and you're done. All right, so just pick them out and you're done. And this is the chaff, as you guys can see. And you might also find some beans in there. Just also pick them out, and that is it. And that is it. And your beans is ready, you know, for your akara and moi moi. All right, you have to grind the beans. You know that. So it's just a simple process. You don't need to spend hours washing beans. So once you know add your water, you wash immediately. So this is it. It's ready. Just a simple process. In 5 minutes, you are done washing your beans. Thank you guys for watching, and bye.